10 features for a perfect primary bedroom. Number 10, laundry room in the primary closet. Why not wash your clothes, then do an about face and hang them up? We should have been doing this years ago. Number 9, tray ceiling with cove lighting. So everyone screams that this is a dust collector, but I don't care. This makes your bedroom look like $1 million. Number 8, proper window spacing. You don't want to block the windows on each side of your bed. And for a king size bed, 94 inches inside to inside, that's the sweet spot if you ask me. Number 7, bedside light switches. Reach over and turn off that bedside light. And if you forget to add this like me, you can get a Lutron starter kit and install a wireless switch pretty easily. Number 6, motion activated closet light. So there's two options, an occupancy sensor that turns on when motion is detected, or a door frame switch that turns on when the door is opened and off when it's closed. I use occupancy sensors at my house and they work great. Number 5, automatic shades. If you decide to hardwire the shades, pick your shades early so the proper wiring can be installed. Some are 12 volt and some can even use Ethernet cable. Number 4, outlet behind the bed. Essential if you have an adjustable frame or you want some accent lighting under or behind the bed. Number 3, recessed lighting in 4 corners. You don't want a beam of light in your face when you lay down. That subtle lighting on each corner is perfect. Number 2, a switch to the outdoor floodlights. You can light up the exterior when you hear a bump in the night. You can even take it a step further and include number 1, which is a security system monitor in the closet. This is a pretty easy setup. You just need to get that video cable into your closet and then you can monitor all the cameras around your house. If you want more building tips and ideas like this, I have a checklist available at builderbrigade.com, or you can just keep following me here and I'll keep posting free content every day.